Hello friends, welcome to NoteKode. In this session, we will see how to set up a Spring framework on Eclipse. But before this, I want to tell you what is Spring. Spring is an open source lightweight framework which is used in enterprise application development. Prerequisite. Before setting up a Spring framework, we must ensure that these two IDs have already installed in our machine. The first one is Java Development Kit JDK should be installed in your system. Second, Eclipse IDE should be installed in your system. If JDK and Eclipse IDE is not available on your system, please install first. All the necessary links already shared in the description box. Let's move forward for Spring Framework setup. For Spring Framework setup, you have to download these two necessary jars. The first, Spring Framework jar. Second, Apache Common Logging jar. The link for Spring Framework jar, repo.spring.io. The link for Apache Common Logging jar, commons.apache.org. These two links also shared in description box. So without any delay, let's see how we set up Spring Framework on Eclipse IDE. Just go to your browser and write here download Spring. Go to second link, index of release org, Spring Framework, Spring repo, that is under repo.spring.io. Just click on that. You can see a lot of Spring release are present here. Just scroll down. The below is the latest release of Spring 5.2.9. It is 15 September 2020. Just click on that. It will redirect you to another page. Just click on the first link, disk.zip, that is 82.37 MB. Download is starting. It will take few seconds. Once downloaded, click on Show in Folder. Just right click and extract. It will take some time to extract all the jars. Meanwhile, we will start downloading the Apache Common Logging jar. So again, just go to your browser and type here Apache Common Logging. Just enter. Here you can see Apache Common Logging, that is under commons.apache.org. You can click on this link and then again you have to click on download. Or another way, you directly click on download. It will redirect you to the download page. Here you can see Apache Common Logging 1.2. There are two sections, binaries and source. You have to go on binary section. There are two files, commons logging bin.tar and commons logging bin.zip. Bin.tar is used by Mac system. Since we are using Windows, we have to download the second one, bin.zip. Just click on download. Here you can see our Spring Framework jar is extracted. Now click on common logging jar folder. Just click on right click and extract. So both the jars are extracted successfully. Now you have to go on your Eclipse. Once Eclipse is open, let's create a Java project for Spring. I'm creating a Java project. So I'm giving the name Spring NoteKode. Next, finish. So our project is created. You can see here two files, GRE system library and SRC source folder. So what we have to do, just right click on your project, go to build path, and then click on configure build path. Here various tabs, source, project, libraries, order and export. So you have to go on libraries, just click on libraries, and here you can see a multiple options: add jar, add external jar, add variable, add library, add class folder, add external class folder. So since we have to add our jars, so click on add external jars. It will redirect you to your folder. Just go to the location where your extracted jars are present. Just simply click on this, copy these two and open. You can see these two common logging jars are added in your system. Just again going back and go to Spring Framework jars, then going libs, copy all these jars and click on open. You can see all the available jars are present here. Simply click on apply and close. You can see a new reference library is created here. Under this, all the jars available here, what you extracted from the folders. So our setup is ready for Spring project. Let's check with a simple project. Just right click. I'm creating a package here. Just type com.notecode. And then we create a Ojo class like student and take a string variable name. So I'm taking a private string name. Also create a getter setter for the same. I'm writing the main method in the video. So our string variable name is created and we also created the getter and setter for the same. Writing here public void display for displaying the record. And here I'm writing our print statement like hello Append with name. Now we have to create the XML file, and XML file will be created under the src. So just right click here, go to file, and write here the file name like application context.xml. You can write any name, it is the bean. So just finish, your XML is created. And for XML directory, just again go to your browser, and here type XML configuration in Spring. Just click enter. Click on the first link, XML schema based configuration. Scroll down below. Here, the equivalent file in the XML schema style would be, just copy this and paste here. Remove this. Write here the bean and property. So I'm writing here bean. Inside bean, we have to give in the ID and class name. So ID, it could be anything. Just in case, I'm writing here st name, and then class. For class, you have to write the class name with the package name. So my package is com.NoteKode. Our class name is student. Okay, and now we have to write the property. Inside property, we have to give in the name and value. So for name, I'm writing as a simple name, and for value, you can say anything, just like I'm writing here NoteKode. So here our Pojo class is created and our XML also created. Now I'm creating another class. Say I'm creating class Spring Test. Inside the main method, I'm writing here application context equal to new class path XML. Say first. Inside this, we write our bean file name. Means here our XML file is application context.xml. So I'm just writing here application context.xml. Okay, you have to import this and then Below, I am creating our class object. So student object equal to context dot get bean. In this, we have to write our bean ID. That is, I am writing here. Our bean ID is st name. Simply just copy this and paste here. Now add first student. Okay, we have to downcast this with student class. So student. Okay, and now we call our method object dot display. Okay, just save this and run. You can see the output is hello NoteKode. Benefit of Spring that you can change the object value at the runtime. If you want to change this name, you can directly change it from here. Just like I'm writing here, hello world. Save this and run. You can see hello world is printed. So our object value is managed by the Xml file. This is all for the Spring setup on Eclipse IDE with a simple program. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more updates, please like, comment and subscribe our channel.